Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can replace words in your Notepad file. Friend, keep watching. In this video I will show you step-by-step process to change or replace words in your Notepad file. Friend, let's see on the computer how we can do that. First thing first, we are going to open our Notepad program. So here simply click on the start button, then search Notepad. Friend, here you can see that this is my Notepad and this file is already last tutorial we have opened this file, that's why this file is open. Here we are going to replace the word. Okay, here you can see that this is the word and I want to change this word with another word. Okay, so simply select this word and then click on this edit menu, and here you will get this option to replace. Okay, here what things you want to change on this word. Okay, I want to change my name on that word. Okay, here I'm adding the capital word, so we will get that things. Here you can simply click on this replace button. So here you can see that this word is changed. Again I'm going to click on this replace button, then you can see that this word is changed. And if I click on the replace all, where this word is available, that word will be replaced with this word. Okay, simply we are going to click on this replace all. Friend, you can see that all the places this Vijay word is placed. Okay, that word is changed now. Friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily change or replace word in your Notepad file. Learn something new, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family that they can also learn about these things in Notepad. And friend, I request you, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. And now we are going to move and learn something new in Notepad. Keep watching and stay tuned with me.